Greetings from this amazing spot in Flaten Nature Reserve on the same named lake, Flaten, in Stockholm. It is 25th of May 2025, a Sunday, and today I am a bit early out for adventure. Oh well, now it is 2 p.m, but I have arrived here around 11:30 and I have been filming some videos for my shorts and reels right here on this spot. And for that means I also had some props with me. Can you guess what? Yes, these flags. These flags I used to create reels, all of the Nordic flags. So there will be some interesting reels coming on my channel. Obviously Eurovision related, but with a touch of 3D. To get to this spot it took me 9 kilometers and a bit of walking in the forest. As first I thought to go to another spot over there, but it was under shadow and I knew that this spot will be under sun, despite having to walk around 500 meters along the forest carrying my Ghost hybrid bike. That's not so lightweight like my other two bikes are, so I did a bit of pump as well on top of that, so I don't need to go on the body pump class at 4:30 because I won't make it probably, as I want to chill a bit more in the nature. Now it was a bit more sunny earlier when I was filming the dense shorts. Now the clouds are here and there, but it's still a bit more sunny. We have 14 degrees Celsius in the air, and I just measured the temperature in the water is 12 degrees Celsius and super clean and clear. This is one of my favorite spots here on this beautiful Lake Flaten that I have been to many times before. And this is also a unofficial nudist beach spot because it's like in the middle of the forest, and you can definitely find your perfect spot here in the beautiful nature. Okay, so it has been now over a week since Eurovision, but my Eurovision content is still trending. I have hit 28,500 subscribers today. This is crazy, this is insane, and I will continue to make Eurovision content until it is obviously trending. I had like 3 million views in the past 48 hours, which is insane. And now I do also lots of filming during my beach adventures as well for my Eurovision content apart from this beach adventure. So yeah, hope everyone is having a nice Sunday like I am on this 25th of May here, and let's then go in for a swim in this beautiful lake while the sun is still up over here. You can choose many different spots to get in. I think this one would be nice, and you can see this nature all around. I'm in the middle of the forest technically, or literally as such. It's so nice when you can see the water. It's so clean and nice, and I'm all alone in this beautiful spot over here. So there are also some shells over here, which is a bit strange because I thought that shells are mostly living in seas, but apparently they live in lakes as well. And I have cut myself from one of those shells last year when I was filming a video on that side of the lake. So the water is cold, 12 degrees, but that won't stop me obviously from getting in. So let's then get ready for a dip in the beautiful lake Flaten. Let's go! Amazing. This is my highlight of the day for sure. so beautiful, peaceful, and just for myself, all this beautiful nature. I love it. It's brilliant. My daily dose of relaxation, for sure. Whew. A bit chilly though, but refreshing. And it's not so cold outside either today. So that is a wrap from the beach adventure today on this Sunday in this beautiful lake Flaten. Thanks so much for watching this episode, and I'm gonna be definitely seeing you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.